Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about this Cincom hand massager. And so, I sit and work on a computer all the time and my hands start to ache and that sort of thing. Plus, when you scan through your phone and all that, it can make your thumbs and your fingers and everything hurt. So hand massager was kind of a really cool idea just to see if that will help with some carpal tunnel and other things like that. This one is by Cincom, and you can use it for either hand, so you can see your thumb sticks out if you want to use it on your right hand, or you can switch it, and you can use it on your left hand as well. It has got a few different settings and buttons here, so you can see here that it has this, and it comes with 3 different intensity modes. So if you turn it on, white is the first mode, blue is the second one, which is a little bit more intense mode, and the highest intensity mode is the pink or purplish red color. And then you can also set different mode programs. So it has soothing mode, which is white. It has vitality mode, which is blue. And then it has the pinkish color again, which is relaxation mode. And it gets higher in intensity when you're using those things. And then heat comes with none, some, and more heat to it. So it comes with that. It has a battery indicating light, which I really like. You can hear the sound of it. That's what it does. So there's pressure on top and bottom of it. So when you get your hand in there, you can feel pressure in all of your fingers. You can feel pressure in your palm. So it's got a really good compression to it, and you can hear it making and doing its moves. I like it on all pink or purple because it's the most intense all the way around. I like that the most. It has a nice handle to it, so if you want to carry it around, you can carry it around. I also like that it squeezes my hand enough that if I'm doing something, I don't have to have it rested on the counter like this or on the table. I can actually just kind of walk around, get a cup of coffee. It's not that heavy. It's just really pretty light and easy to use. So this one's by Cincom. It also comes with a charging cord, and it comes with a charging box. So it's just a typical cord, power cord for it. So that's it. So if you're looking for a hand massager because you have carpal tunnel, your hands ache or hurt or things like that, or you have arthritis in your fingers, this would be a great idea, great gift, especially this time of year. Getting people gifts is something that everyone's looking to do. And if you're looking for something like that, where there's someone's hand aches or stuff like that, this is a really great option. It is really soft inside. I really like the softness of the inside of it. If you can see in there, it's made with I don't know if it's like a neoprene or something like that. So it's very soft on the inside. So give this one a try. I will put a link in the description below. You can get this on Amazon. They have a bunch of different massagers. They have a bunch of different hand massagers as well. This one is the one I like the best. And I'll put a link in the description below. Super thanks is always welcome. And give it a try and see what you think.